Hello friend, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about Windows 11, the ultimate troubleshooting guide for common issues. Okay, Windows 11 can be a powerful operating system, but it's not without its quirks. This video explores the most common Windows 11 issues and provides clear, actionable solutions to get you back on track. Okay, and again you can find out here solution also in this document. Okay, and I'm going to try step by step and follow that step. I think your problem will be fixed. The number one problem is that slow performance. Okay, how can you fix that? First you have to check for Windows update. We have to update your Windows. How to update Windows? Just go to start menu and you can find out here setting tab, or you can type here Windows update directly. Windows update, and just click that setting and click here check for updates. Okay, in my case it's up to date. Now next is the disable startup program. Okay, this is startup program. When computer run, then after this also run, so that we have to disable startup program from the task manager. Okay, you can press Ctrl Shift escape, or just right click on the taskbar and go to task manager. On this task manager you can find here startup apps. Suppose I don't need this Adobe okay, if that is enabled, just right click and disable. Okay, you can disable unnecessary application which you do not need. Okay, suppose this is RDB downloader. If this is enabled, and I'm going to disable it. Now you have to run disk cleanup. Okay, why disk cleanup? Okay, it removes the temporary files, so that you have to run this disk cleanup. Just right click and click run. Simply you can type there clean mgr. Clean mgr. Then press OK and just select the C drive and click OK, and you can find out here check all the boxes, temp files, and just click OK and delete the file. This disk cleanup will delete all temporary files from your system and makes your computer stop. Now next is the adjust effects. Okay, adjusting visual effects also computer performance will be faster. How can you do that? Just go to setting, then go system, and here you have to go to the properties. Okay, sorry, how can I do that? Just right click on this PC and click properties. Then after here you can find on advanced setting. There is advanced setting, just click that, and in advanced setting you can find out the performance tab. Just click setting and you can find out adjust for the best performance. Just click that and apply and OK. Now number 2 is that internet connectivity is huge. The solutions are, first you have to restart, or you have to turn off your router for 10 seconds, and you have to turn on router and restart your computer and try for connecting. Okay, if not connecting, then after go to setting and run the troubleshooter. Go to the setting and you can find out here troubleshooter. Go to other troubleshooter, find out your internet. After you can just run the troubleshooter. Okay, and next method is flush DNS cache. Okay, how can we do that? Just simply click on the start menu and type cmd, right click and run as administrator, click cache. Then after just you have to copy this command, or you can type. Okay, and just paste it and enter. Now type exit. Now next is reset network setting. Okay, you can reset network setting. Just go to start menu and go to setting and go to network and internet, and after you can find out here advanced network setting, and this here you can find out network reset, and you can reset from here. This will remove then reinstall all network adapters and set all the networking components back to their original setting. You might need to reinstall all the networking software afterwards, such as VPN, client software, or virtual switches. Okay, just reset it and try to connect to Wi-Fi. The number 3 common issue is Bluetooth not working. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. Okay, how can you check that? Go to start menu or go to setting, and after you can find out here Bluetooth tab and check this is turned on. Okay, this will be turned on. Now next is you can restart the Bluetooth services by services.msc. Press impulse RK or right click on the start menu and click on run, and here you can type up services.msc and just click OK. Here you can find out Bluetooth services type B. Okay, 1 2 3. This will be running. Okay guys, Bluetooth services must be running, and if it's not running, then after just click start. And after these 3 Bluetooth services are running, and right click and go to properties, and you can choose startup type automatic. Okay, automatic, apply and OK. I think this is not supporting, just it's running. Okay, hence the Bluetooth service must be running. And next method is that you have to update the Bluetooth driver. You can download manually from the browser, or you can update from the device manager. Just right click on the start menu and go to the device manager. Then after find out your Bluetooth tab, and you can just right click and update the driver. Click search automatically for driver, and here the best driver already installed, or you can search for drivers on Windows operator also. Okay, just click check for updates. Hence you can update the Bluetooth driver. Black screen on boot. Okay, while booting, if there is black screen, then after the first is you have to check for external devices such as the hard disk, okay, RAM and SATA cable, if it is attached properly or not. Then after you can restart your computer in safe mode. Okay, go to start menu and click here and hold shift key from the keyboard. Okay, and restart your computer. Then it will go automatic in the start setting repair mode, and you can choose start setting. Then after in safe mode you can update driver from the device manager also if there is any black screen in your computer. Okay, first you have to check all external drivers, cables, hard disk, RAM, if it all is working. Then after you can try this, and sometime maybe the cause of the OS crashes, and you have to can restore your system from the repair mode. Okay, one important thing is that you have to create a restore point. Okay, you have to create a restore point. How can I do that? It's very easy and very useful. Just go to start menu and type create, and you can find a restore point. Just click here and configure and just turn it on. Just disable. Okay, configure, turn on, apply. Okay, and you can just create here from here and keep the date of, okay, 2025 3/12. Let's create and starting creating this store point, restore point in my computer. Okay, the advantage of restore point is that when your OS is crashed, then after you can repair, you can go to the repair mode and go to troubleshoot and can restore your system of that running date, okay, of that creation date also. It takes a minute to complete the restore point. Okay, I recommend you to create a restore point in every your system. The restore point was created successfully. Thanks and click OK. Okay, now 5 issues. That's Windows update issue. If you're facing the Windows update, then after you can just run the Windows update troubleshooter. Just right click. So just click on start menu and go to setting, and here you can find our Windows update. And it's downloading, right? System, and go to the troubleshoot and check for all the click all the troubleshooter, and here the Windows update, and you can go on the troubleshooter. Or you can clear the update cache. okay, and you can manually download the list from Microsoft catalog. Okay, let's go to the Chrome and type Microsoft catalog, and you can download Orbit from the Microsoft, right? And let's try the clear Orbit cache. Okay, sometimes this cache also disturbs to update your Windows, and at that time you have to clear this cache. Okay, how can you do that? Very simple. Just click Start menu and type cmd and right click and run as administrator. Click cache, and this you have to just copy and paste this command here. Press enter. Delete that dot, net stop, and hit enter. It is stopping, right? Windows Operating Services is stopping. Wait a minute, and after you can try next command here, that is net stop bits. Just paste here and delete this dot. Enter. The background intelligent transfer service is stopping. It's done. Okay. Then I will just copy and paste this command. Enter. Then after you can try here. Reload this and hit enter. The service has already been started, and you can find here net stack bits. This first here and hit enter. Finally here the background intelligent transfer services been starting, right? The services are started, and now you have to just press exit here and try for update your Windows. Okay, or you can download Windows software from this manually, right? Let's paste here and click enter, and this Microsoft catalog. Windows 11. And you can find out here the updated version. Okay, thus you can download and you can install it. Okay, these are the Windows Update catalog. You can find out here data wisely. You can click you can choose the latest Windows Update and download and install that. right? Find out here Windows 11, right? Okay, now 6th number is that apps not opening or crashing. Okay, if any application is not running in your system, then after first you have to go to starting apps, select app and click advanced and option and choose and repair set. Okay, you can repair or reset. So click start menu, go to starting and go to apps and go to install apps. And if any app is not running properly in your system, then after you have to do is that click advanced option. Find advanced option, and after here you have to go choose and repair and reset. You can find out if you want to reset or repair. You can repair from here, or you can uninstall and install that app again. Just go to the start menu and apps and go to apps and go to install apps. And if suppose an application, this CapCut is not working, just uninstall and install the device. And we have to check for updates. If there is any updates for your application, and you have to update, right? Audio problems. If there is any audio problem in the system, then after you have to check the volume levels, ensure the correct output device is selected in sound setting. If there is any types of output devices are there in your computer system, like speaker, then just go to sound and you have to choose the speaker for the output sound, right? And you can run the troubleshooter. Go to the system and find out here troubleshoot and just go to other troubleshoot, and you can run the troubleshooting. And you can update your driver from the device manager. Right click and go to device manager. Then after you have to go to sound, video and games here. Then after just right click and update for these all, right? And so you can fix the sound audio problems in your computer. If printer is not working, then after you have to check the printer connection, ensure that the printer is on and the printer USB cable is attached in your computer, and you can run the printer troubleshooter from the troubleshoot setting, right? Here you can find printer, just run the troubleshooter, and you have to update the driver of that printer. Just you can go to that manufacturer's website and download the latest version of the driver and just install in your computer, right? And number 9 is File Explorer not responding. If your File Explorer not responding, then after you can restart your Explorer. Just go to Open Text Manager and Windows and right click and restart. How can you do that? Just right click in Text Manager and go to Text Manager. Then after you can find out here Windows Explorer in the down side, scroll down. Here you can find Windows Explorer. Just right click and click the restart. Or you can clear File Explorer history. In the folder option, click on privacy and run the system checker. Clear the File Explorer history. In folder option, okay, in the folder option. Then after you have to go to clear and clear on the privacy, right? We have to clear, okay, we have to clear file explorer history. How can you do that? Just here the simple guide. First you have to open the file explorer. You can open from here, or you can press Win+E, and after go to this three dot and go to option, and you can find out here clear file explorer history. Just clear this, right? And so you can run the file explorer in the system, right? And next, as you can run the system checker, and just go restart menu, type AMD, and just right click and run as administrator, cache. And here you have to just copy and paste this command. And just hit enter. Okay, it will check your system. And fix the corrupted files in your system, right? And next is just Windows activation issues. If there is any Windows activation issues in your system, then after you can run the troubleshooter. Then you have to run activation troubleshooter, or you have to buy a genuine product key from the Microsoft, okay, and you have to install the genuine version of Windows in your system, and you can contact to the Microsoft support if an activation is failed, right? I suggest you to have a valid product key and update with that product key. Okay, this is the best idea, and you can get strong security in your Windows also. Okay friends, lastly, follow that all steps, and I think these are the simple steps that can fix, that is for the troubleshooting of Windows 11 problems. If you need any types of confusion, if I have any type of confusion, then let me know in the comment box. Okay friends, this troubleshooting steps should help resolve most Windows 11 issues. If problem persists, consider permanent system restore or clean installation of Windows 11. Okay, let us know if you need specific help, friends. If problem keeps remaining, then after you can clean install the OS by keeping your software back off in external pocket hard drive, right? Okay friends, if you get any types of problem, then comment box is there, and I'm ready 24 hours to help you guys. And thanks for watching, and please support my channel. I'm very feeling grateful, guys. You have supporting me. Okay, you are supporting me, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.